Hello friends, I'm Painting Hyun. Today, I'm going to be showing you a really simple and easy painting. For colors, bright violet, sap green, and ultramarine deep, I'm going to use it. I also use a DaVinci Winsor&Newton Pointed round brush and micron 03 pen for drawing contour around the flower. And I'm especially using this pen point for scratching on the flower petals. The first thing is that I'm placing basic composition with 2H pencil. A cranesbill flower is a kind of geraniums. It has 5 petals and stamen and pistils. Draw 5 petals and stems and the babies. And then draw with a pen just along the pencil lines. When you finish it, erase the pencil marks, slide picking. There are stamen and pistils. I'm drawing some lines that it looks like a frame, a picture frame, in order to making imagination. You can make own imagination on the painting. Now I'm putting watery bright violet in petals and on the edge. The center of the flower, petals, and the edge. I'm using watery bright violet, and then also I'm using a side of the brush. In the center of the petal and then edge of the petal, and I'm using I'm adding intense bright violet color. Next step is I'm going to use a pen point for drawing lines in the petals. I'm using a pen point, but you can use any type of the sharp things. For example, nail, back of the brush, and paint knife, etc. And I switched the Winsor&Newton Pointed brush for something details in petals and use the tip of the brush. Now I'm using sap green for 2 birds. For the background, I'd like to make it look natural and airy. So I'm splashing with the flower which I used. And then now I'm draw some bushes and something different. I want to use the spreadsheet for colors on the background. So I wet the paper and then splashing now with the flower color. Draw stamens and pistils with the ultramarine deep color. Alright, we are all done. See you next time. Bye.